So my 5 essential items for a safari trip would be number one, definitely a pair of binoculars. It's always great, especially when you are viewing birds or animals far away in the distance. You really get to see them up close and see the finer details. If you don't have binoculars, a good camera would also work well, and obviously to preserve the memories that you have on your trip. Yeah, try and also get a good lens, because that can take your photographs to a whole nother level. Number two would be one of these. So this is a safari kit. It's got all your essentials in it. It's got a hand sanitizer, a mini sunscreen lotion, as well as first aid and burn cream, alcohol wipes as well, some burn gel, and also some insect sting relief pads. So when you're out in the bush, if you're doing a walking safari, more than likely you would graze your legs on branches or really tall thick grass, and you can see here I've already got a little scratch on my arm. Don't know how that happened, but it comes with the territory. So these are really helpful, especially because you can pack it easily in your bag. It's nice and compact, and like I say, sunscreen, very important. When you're out here, it can get extremely hot, and you really don't want to be burning in this heat. So this is definitely really helpful. Shout out to Sambona for the kit. And then also, if you are going to Victoria Falls, you know that the spray from the falls can get quite intense. So I recommend one of these. This is a waterproof foam pouch. You can open it like this, and essentially you can stick your phone inside. So just pop it in like this. You'll then close it shut like so. Pop it closed, and essentially this seals the phone from any water entering inside. You can tap on your screen like normal, text, make calls, and record videos and pictures, and it doesn't affect the quality at all. Like I said, this is see-through, so it records perfectly. It also comes with a lanyard, so you can wear it around your neck. Yeah, definitely a game changer. If you're going to be in very wet areas, or even if you are doing canoeing or on a Makoro in the Delta, perfect. Another great essential item would be a good hat. It gets really hot out here sometimes, and you want to keep yourself covered. If not a hat, what I tend to wear is a scarf around my head. Protects your hair from sun damage as well as from anything flying around, and especially when you're on these long drives or even a transfer, it can get quite dusty, and so this kind of would protect you as well from that. And then last, a reusable water bottle. A lot of the lodges that you would stay at will generally provide you with these, but if not, a really good metal bottle works well. You can always top it up. Like I say, it gets really hot out here, and you want to stay hydrated at all times. So yeah, that's my top 5.